quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th, Libra. So, your cards are the Maiden of Swords, the Void, and the Six of Wands. Parang ikaw yung kabaligtaran naman ni Virgo. Ngayon, sa'yo medyo open na, no, ang communication line. Parang tapos ka na doon sa part na hindi naman sa I'm not protecting myself, tapos ka na dun sa part na I already learned. Parang alam ko na yung next actions mo. Sige, okay, I'm ready to play with you again, no? But this time I am wiser. This time ako yung dadama, no? This time I am winning. So nakikita kasi natin dito with the Six of Wands, parang hindi naman ito ganti. Pero this time talaga, kumbaga nabasa na, no? Ni Libra ang kanyang katunggali, 'no? Parang, "Hindi mo na ako ngayon maiisahan. Come on, let's play," 'no? With the Six of Wands, akin ang trophy, akin ang panalo. So yeah, this is your quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th, Libra.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.